was hungry. Wow, I look so ewy. I look so ewy. It's breakfast time. We're going to eat breakfast now. Yeah, it's time to eat breakfast because Mr. Aladdin sir is back from
the fortress.
He's back from school. Oh yes, I did not go with him sending the kids to school. So yeah, breakfast and coffee as usual. Milo, Meru, and sliced bread. But I wanted pandesal.
What's for egg?
I don't like egg. So this is the pandesal. Why
Well,
this is not burn or burn?
Gahit
So
man.
I will be eating Francis.
Dapat kay kuan day napag kay
Francis is French
from
bread.
France.
So the English for Francis
From
pan
Ilio.
is French bread. So this is baby French bread. Yeah,
Baby
because
French bread. What a word.
Francis, diba? If you are, I don't know for Tagalog people, but here, if you are Bisaya, you probably know this pan, this bread that is called Francis, and I think there is an English version on this one which is called French bread. Francis French bread, diba? Nilok. So yeah, Francis. So I'm gonna eat now. Look here, guys. Baabaa was practicing to write kanji. We were surprised when we saw this one. We thought that, oh my gosh, I'm gonna put that away. So we thought at first that she always draws a lot of things actually. So she has her own YouTube channel and she was subscribed to a lot of cartoon drawing stuff, and she always draw like this, and she always make a little drawing book of herself. Ends up using all our band papers, just drawing a lot of things. So this is the one she draw, and when we opened her book, why am I talking his? So when open her little book, this is what we saw, guys. It's not easy to write kanji when you don't know how to write it actually, because there are a lot of details in writing kanji. So we were surprised when we saw this one. So she actually wrote a lot of kanji.
With translation.
Yeah, and with an English translation, angry. Okoro, good, but yeah, good. So I don't know where did she got this kanji. Where did she?
I think internet. The internet.
Oh, so I think yesterday she got bored because they just finished their periodical exam, and yeah, this is what she'd been up to. I was so happy and surprised with you, Ba. Yeah, so the kanji I guess that I could remember is, I don't know, sometimes I get a little confused with kanji, and maybe next time, before I already teach them to write their names in Japanese, like their first name would be written in katakana, and their family name of course will be in kanji because our family name is a Japanese one. So I teach them to write their own names, but I think they forgot already. But I don't know, this time Baabaa was interested in writing kanji. Yeah, so funny of you, Ba. Today is a Friday. Yes, and this is my face of the day, and I did a braid, half braid on my hair. Whoa, meh! That ghost is so annoying. Meh!
A sweet sound.
Yeah, if not the goat, it's the dog that's always barking. So this time the dog was silent and now it's the goat's turn to get noisy. Meh! Anay ko ne. Meh! If not the dog and not the goat, then the frog's turn. Yeah, oh. OMG. I do something.
What you doing?
Nothing. So I'm just chilling waiting to eat lunch.
Preparing to eat lunch. Fully dressed. Just to eat lunch.
I love my lashes. Look how pretty my lashes today. So pretty and natural. So natural. Kumusta ka naman dyan? It's only 67% and I uploaded this video last night. Over. OA naman yan, Jer. I uploaded this last night like 10? Yeah. No. Yeah, at around 10 p.m. And now, time check. Actually, this is not 1 p.m. This is only, I forgot to change. This is Japan time, so it's still 12 noon. 10 p.m., 12 noon. Oh my gosh. Super slow. I don't know what to do. I need to upload videos like ahead of time, all the time. Like 3 days ahead so that it will be uploaded on time. So, internet problems. Kung I wanted to sing, but the goat is singing with me. Okay? Goat, shut up, okay? Kung kaya ikaw ang aking inibig. Wow, it's the dog's turn now. And then, please shut up! Oy, nature! I don't want nature sound effects. OMG. Life in the Philippines. I'm outside. I'm gonna check out the goatee. There's the goatee. So there's the goat that's been so noisy. Meh! 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 Now he's gonna answer. Answer, goat! Meh! You're so funny! It's so gloomy today. Bye, goat! It's already 12, guys, and we're about to eat lunch. Wow, look at my face. I've used my MAC Soft and Gentle today. It's been a while since I've used my MAC Soft and Gentle, and yeah, I'm loving it. And I'm trying to find my charger for this one. My very beautiful phone from Samsung. I need to charge. It's not from Samsung, it's from Star Mobile. And it's completely drained. I need to charge it. There's only one charger left. No, because the other one was broken already. I need to charge it. Yeah. But you can buy a lot of chargers from like 138 or mga other Taiwanese shops. I'm gonna charge it. Almost zero visibility.
Oh, grabe.
Oh my god, look at the sea. I cannot see the sea anymore.
Why are you looking
There's
at the
no
sea?
sea.
There's no sea in seeing the sea.
Oh, keep on driving safely.
Yes.
Don't talk, okay? Oh,
Tama?
ano tama din?
Espindi. Wala li espindi nga mo.
Only in the Philippines. Just a few rain, but it's already already fetched Baabaa. Unsa to oy?
Sa ba?
What did you buy ba? Pokemon Go cards. If you don't have a cell phone, but you have a cell phone, or if you have a cell phone and you cannot connect to the internet, just buy Pokemon Go cards. But no, let me see ba.
Ito ba yung Pokemon?
Tanan na lang Pokemon Go. Sama na.
Pokemon, tatasan na po ano.
It's so traffic. So surprising that this street, ang saan ni diri nga street eh?
Private.
Private.
Private
Yeah.
road.
Bago yun.
Street.
Private ni private.
Usually, when it's raining very hard, it always floods here. But today it did not. It did not. Oh my God! KFC. I don't like KFC. I want to eat pizza. Pizza. Oh, there's Emo. Yeah. So. Look how heavy the traffic is. We're not moving. We're not moving. This is Fidel Rosario Street. Now we're moving. I like the way to move it. I like the way to move it. Baabaa. We are here at the Candy House at Super Metro, Colon.
Oh, dakbo ako.
Manandik ano dito ganun. What's this cream stick?
Ano ay lami na daw.
I don't like it. I don't know if I like this.
Bing bing.
I don't like that either. Ay kare choco fudge.
Choco matcha ba ito?
Nakain? Yeah.
Hindi nga na.
This one. Choco fudge. Sa oti oy asa man di ay maliwat ang mga anak ko mga. So,
Namay lang kahang de.
Huh?
Namay lang kahang.
Oh, by the way, we are having snack, and this is our snack from crackers. Yes, and it's so delicious when you dip it to a vinegar with Tabasco. What do you think, Lami? This has the it has shoyu flavor. Shoyu means salt flavor. Just fry in hot oil. Yeah. Delicious ni ate. You like it eh? This is your first time eating this one, Tino? No.
Yeah.
Katudeng chichaya. Like this one? Like this? I wanna because I haven't eaten pakam. I wanna drink coffee. I want coffee. Wow, my hair's so long already. Yeah. Ah, it's already night and the meh is still there. Meh. Kolo inside. Meh. Can you hear that? The goats still meh. Yeah. He or she is not tired.
Papa.
Ayan banana sa siya.
Wish eh. So delicious, guys. Hey guys. So yeah, it's already nighttime and what did I do today? I didn't go to work today actually but supposedly I'm going to work. But since we need to run some errands and we run a little late there, so I just decided that I'm not going to work. And we fetch Baabaa early because their dismissal is like 2 p.m. and we need to go back to Sashi because her dismissal is different. So I think 4:30 she will be out at 4:30, so we need to wait for since we went to the bank, and yeah, we fixed some things there, and we run late from there. We already fixed Baabaa like around 3, so we just waited for Sashi for an hour because we don't want to go home and go back to school again. So yeah, we just went to Super Metro and waited there, and then went back to school. And we decided to go home right away because it was raining so hard today, guys. It's like there's a typhoon, and yeah, if it rains that hard here in Cebu, you need definitely you'll be expecting flood all over the city. So it will be very hard to go home later if you will wait or a little later. So we rushed home so that we will not be stuck on traffic. So yeah, and then right now I'm just chilling, and it feels cool tonight, and I like this weather. Probably today is already fall in Japan, and that is my favorite weather of all. Not and what I mean is my favorite is fall and spring because that's the perfect weather for me. It's not too cold, and it's not hot. And right now I'm enjoying this weather because it is cool at night already. It's almost Christmas. Yeah, I can feel if um this kind of cold feel this kind of cold really feels like Christmas is almost there. Yeah, I'm so excited for Christmas. But before that, we need to celebrate All Souls Day and All Souls Day first. Yeah, we need to celebrate that one first. So I guess that's it for today, guys. And I want to say good night now. And yeah, I hope you had a wonderful day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. So I hope to see you on my next video, guys. And love you always. Peace.